Good morning, Radnya. You know what is the topic today?
I know. Sea animals.
Yes. Today we are going to learn about the sea animals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at this animal.
This animal is a shark.
Yes, you are right. Now let's read along with me. Yes?
Yes.
H
H
A
A
R
R
K.
K.
Shark.
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 Now let's move on to the next sea animal. Look at this. It looks like a star, right?
Yes, ma'am. It is a starfish.
Now let's read along with me. S
Yes.
T
T
A
A
R
R
star.
star.
F
F
I
I
S
yes
H.
H
Fish.
fish.
Starfish.
Star
Starfish.
starfish.
Perfect. Move on to the another sea creature. What is this?
This is seal, ma'am.
Let's read along with me. S
S
E
E
A L.
yes, seal.
Eel.
Seal.
Now look at this. This is called seahorse.
Yes, ma'am. It is a seahorse.
Let's read along with me. S
S
E
A
A
A
C
C
H
H
O
O
R
R
S
S
E.
E
Horse.
horse. Seahorse.
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 Next. What is this big one?
Ma'am, actually this is a whale.
Yes, let's read. W
W
H
H
A
A
L
L E
E. Whale.
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 Yes. Next one. Jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
J
J E L
L
L Y F I S H.
Jellyfish. Yes, perfect, Ranya. Good. Next.
Ma'am, this is an octopus.
Yes, perfect. Yes, Ranya, this is an octopus. Oh, what is the spelling of the octopus?
Okay. O C T O P U S.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Okay, next. What is this sea creature?
Ma'am, this is a crab.
Yes, you are right. This is a crab. Now read along with me. See?
C R A
Crab.
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 Good. Now, this sea creature is called squid.
Yes, ma'am. It is squid.
Now, read along with me. What is the spelling of squid? Yes.
Yes.
U.
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 I.
I. D.
Squid.
Squid.
Yes. Good. Now, this sea creature named as flying fish.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this?
Flying fish.
Now, let's read along with me. What is the spelling of flying fish? F.
Yes.
L.
Yes.
Y.
Y.
I.
I.
N. G.
G.
Flying
Flying
fish.
fish. Flying fish. Fish.
F.
Yes.
I.
I.
S.
Yes.
H.
Fish.
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 Flying fish.
Flying fish.
Perfect. Let's move on to the next sea creature. What is this sea creature named as?
This is turtle.
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 Let's read along with me. What is the spelling of turtle? T.
T.
U.
U.
R.
R.
T.
T.
L.
L.
E.
E.
Turtle.
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 Perfect. Now let's move on to the another sea creature. This sea creature is shrimp.
Shrimp.
Let's read along with me. What is the spelling of shrimp? Yes.
Yes.
H.
H.
R.
R.
I. M.
I. M.
P.
P.
Shrimp.
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 Now let's move on to the another sea creature. What is the sea creature named as? Manta ray.
Mandarin.
Manta ray.
Mandarin.
Now let's see the spelling of it. M.
M.
A.
A.
N.
M.
T.
E.
A.
A.
Manta.
Mentor.
Now let's read the ray. R.
R.
A.
A.
Y. Manta ray.
Mandarin.
Manta ray.
Mandarin.
Perfect. Now let's move on to another sea creature. What is this called?
This called
This sea creature is called clam.
clam.
Now read along with me. What is the spelling of clam? C.
C.
L.
L.
A.
A.
M.
M.
Clam.
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 What is this?
Ma'am, this is a dolphin.
Yes. Now what is the spelling of dolphin? D
D
O
O
L
L
P
P H
I
I N
dolphin.
dolphin
Dolphin.
dolphin.
Now it's a quiz time. Are you ready?
I am.
Now I'm going to show you some pictures. You recognize that pictures and tell me what is that sea creature was. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What is this sea creature?
This is a octopus.
Yes, you are right. This is an octopus. Right, Ranya?
Yes.
Next. What is this?
This is a tortoise.
This is a turtle. Now, look at this.
This is a flying fish.
Perfect. This is a flying fish. Correct, Ranya. Look at this picture. Can you recognize this?
This is a jellyfish.
Perfect. You are right. Next, look at this sea creature.
This is a crab.
This is a crab, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, look at this big.
This is a shark.
Yes, this is a shark.
Squid.
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 Perfect. Yes, this is called squid. Now, did you see this?
Ma'am, this is a dolphin.
Yes, correct. Now,
This is a shrimp.
yes, perfect. What's this big animal? What's this big sea?
This is a whale.
You recognize this picture?
This is a clam.
This is a clam. Correct.
Mandarin.
Manta ray, right.
Seal.
Yes, this is a seal. Now look at this. It looks like a star.
Yes, ma'am, this is a starfish.
Yes, good. Today we learn about sea creatures, right, Ranya?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you practice?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Bye-bye, Ranya. I'll meet you in the next session.
Bye-bye, ma'am.